Okay, so the chisel, it's not the sharpest thing in the world. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, especially because of this grinding, oxidation, burn, whatever you want to call it, that I got in the chisel. But it is certainly effective. I was able to make this little groove right here, and it feels nice and smooth. It's a little bit uneven, but that's just because I'm kind of bad with the chisel. And if you want to know how I sharpened it, well, over here I have this, these are the shapings from the wood piece. But I have this plywood wheel with buffing compound or polishing compound on it. And so it's tiny abrasive, so when I turn on the bench grinder... Oh, the bench grinder is unplugged in 1 minute. So when you turn on the bench grinder, well, first of all, the light's dim, because, yeah. And then, I figured that, I used a protractor and figured out if you put it here, the blade will be at a 35-degree angle, 25-degree angle, whatever the angle is, I forget what it is exactly, but the right angle that the secondary bevel is supposed to be on a chisel, then you just turn it off. That's going to be spinning for a while because inertia, and then you can just test it out on here. Let's just test. Don't have your thumb in front of it, but I mean, as you can see, it's kind of hard to take out the material, but it does get the material out. So it could be sharper, but I'd say it's good enough for government work. So I've been doing a lot of stuff with the bees recently, but I haven't really had time to edit any of the footage. Well, I have, I've just been too lazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post some of the more boring videos about the bees on a second channel, where you guys who really want to watch the bee videos can watch them. But I have a feeling that not everyone wants to watch a 20-minute video of me doing a hive inspection, because, you know, that's kind of boring, unless you really love my commentary, which, thank you very much. But yeah, so there should be a new edited video of the bees on the channel soon, but that's about it.